rolling with the reeds. Before we get to this video, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified for all the future videos and all the great content we're gonna put out. So a quick video today is deworming goats. Goats get worms a lot, pretty easily. So you gotta stay on top of them. So we dewormed them 2 weeks ago, and gonna be checking again to see how the dewormer worked, and see if anybody else need another dosage. But yeah, we dewormed them all 2 weeks ago. So we're gonna see how the dewormer worked, and see if anybody else needs some more deworming. Roll along with us.
I know a place sustained by just the land, off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends, and you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
that was a short video. Checking ladies for worms. So out of the 10 ladies that we got, only one, which is Miss Opal May, right there in the back, the black and brown one. Miss right there. Yeah, she the only one that eyes were a little pale. Everybody else was nice pink. We dewormed them 2 weeks ago, and we just checking to see how the deworm took, how they took to the deworm or whatever. See if they gotten better. Sister Lacey is that one walking right there, the big brown right there. Sister Lacey was the first one that we put in the chute 2 weeks ago, and noticed she had pale eyes, so we just dewormed them all. So we dewormed them all 2 weeks ago, and everybody looked great except Miss Opal Mary right there, Miss Opal May. Everybody looked great except Miss Opal May. Her eyes were still a little pale, so we dewormed her again. But everybody else looked good.